Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. I'm coming in from Southeast Cape Coral and I have this beautiful home to show you. It's a listing my wife just got. It has around 1,907 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an amazing landscaping. Okay, just check out the front way until you see the back. Okay, he also has a really nice pool. So, like I do on all my videos, let's first take a tour around the home and then we'll move in, okay? So, let's go. As you can see, this home is well taken care of. Over here is your AC. Here you have a door that leads to the garage. Check out the side of the home. Got a nice vinyl fence here on the right side. And here's the backyard. You got a lot of fruit trees, like for instance, this one's mango. Over here you have your cactus area. I think this is avocado. Okay, let me stand over here so you can visualize the size of this beautiful backyard. Got the flowers. Looks like this is the garden working station. Okay, I'm gonna move over to the other corner of the yard so you can visualize the size of the yard. Okay, let me show you this side of the home here so you can see that everything is just manicured. Okay, here's the pool. We'll get into the pool from inside the home. Okay, so tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this beautiful backyard. The flowers. And I forgot to show you. Even has a little cascade over here. Okay, let me give you a tour here of the backyard, standing in front of the screen door here. So this is the backyard. Okay, now I'm gonna move in through the side and we'll go inside. Today it's around 90 degrees and it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. I mean, not a cloud in the sky. Now, check out the plants in the front yard. It's a lot of color. Look at this, how beautiful. Okay, it has a double car garage. Okay, now we're moving in. Let me adjust my lens here. and we're in. Oh, nice air conditioning. Feels really good in here. Okay, we start over here with the living room area. Like I said before, it's a 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Over here's your nice dining room. And check out the beautiful view to the pool. Nice thing about this house, has a lot of view to the pool. You'll see what I mean. And a lot of, it's bright because you have a lot of windows. Check out how nice this room looks. Now I'm going to show you the bedrooms. Check out, this is the family room. Check out the cute parakeets. And right here in the family room, you have the laundry room. So you got your washer and dryer here, and a sink, and plenty of cabinets. Then let me stand on this corner here so you can see the rest of the family room and the kitchen. We'll get to that later. First, I'm going to do the 3 bedrooms that are on this side. Okay. This is bathroom number 1, the guest bathroom. Check out, nice. You have that door that leads to the pool. Over here, you have like your cabana bedroom, you could say, because you have access to the pool. Let me show you. Check out the view. And now over here, you got your closets there. It's a very large room. One of the things about this home also, it has big rooms. So it's nice, it's nice. Okay, now we're going to head to the 2nd bedroom. Okay. It's nice and big also. See, you have plenty of space. You have your closet over here. And now we go into the 3rd bedroom. This they tend to use it more like an office, and they're already starting to pack. So let me get on this corner over here so you can visualize the size of the room. Okay, so remember, if you would like to know the price of the home, feel free to go on the link below, and that way you have the full report there on that link. Gives you the accurate price. Okay. Okie doke. Now, back in the family room, and take a quick peek of the pool. Okay, we'll be coming back to this pool in a matter of seconds. Okay, so let me just first do the kitchen, and then I'm going to go into the master bedroom. Okay, so here's the kitchen. Granite countertop. Stainless steel appliances. And what I really like about it, check out the window. Always on all my videos, I always tell everybody about the nice windows when the kitchen sink is right in front of it. It's really nice because you tend to have a connection from the outside to the inside. Also, here we have a shelf that you actually open the window and you have guests, you can put drinks out there, and just imagine being here. You remember, during the season here, during winter, it's very nice. Most of the windows will be open and you'll be able to enjoy your day here. Okay, so now check out the cabinets. They're in great condition. You can see also the house is completely tiled. back over here in the dining room, and we're gonna go into the master bedroom. Like I said, this home has very big rooms. Check out the master bedroom. Okay, and you also have the slider over here that leads to the pool. Okay, let me get around so you can see the size. Very nice. Let me get from this side so now you can see the pool. Check out that view from your bed. Just what Florida living is all about. Okay, over here's your main closet. And here is your master bathroom with granite countertops, very fancy cabinet. Then you have a shower, tile all the way to the ceiling. I mean, if you're looking for a home in Florida, this offers you almost everything that Florida has to offer. It's very nice, very nice layout, and the pool. Wait until we get to see the pool. Now we're going outside to check a look at the pool. So let's take another look over here. The dining room and the living room. And now we'll go here through the kitchen and we'll go outside to check out the pool. Adjust my lens here. Okay. As I told you, you have this shelf over here to pass all your things from the kitchen to this beautiful area out here. I don't know if you could hear it. You could hear the waterfall that I showed you before from here. It's right over there. Check out this beautiful pool. And it has a lot of area to be away from the sun here. A lot of cover. Also, you have an area to get sun. Take a look at this pool. Doesn't that look nice? Well, remember, if you are interested about this house, feel free to go on the link below where you have your full report with all the information on the property. Okay, also you will have the price. If you're new to my channel and you would like to see more homes in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And for my existing subscribers, hello out there, and thank you for watching. And remember, please give me comments and likes. That really helps me promote my videos in the YouTube. So tell me what you think, and if you like the home, please give it a like. And remember, if you're out there looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years, and we can help you out. So, signing off from Southeast Cape Coral. See you on to the next video.